In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add keywords in Google Ads campaign. By the end, you'll know exactly how to find solid keyword ideas inside Google Ads so you can reach the right people without wasting budget. First, open your Google Ads account and look to the left side of your screen. Click on Tools, then choose Planning, and select Keyword Planner. This is the built-in research tool that helps you uncover search terms your customers actually use. If you're asked to choose an account, pick the one you want to work with so the planner can tailor suggestions to your setup. Next, click Discover New Keywords. This is where the brainstorming starts. Begin entering keywords closely related to your business. Think of the core products or services you offer and the problems you solve. Use simple, everyday phrases your customers would type, like the product name and a plain description. Aim for a healthy middle ground. Don't be so specific that only a handful of people would ever search it, and don't be so broad that you'll attract searches that aren't relevant. For example, instead of a long, ultra-detailed phrase with model numbers, try a clean product category plus a defining feature. On the flip side, avoid a single word that could apply to dozens of industries. A good approach is to mix a few short, high-level terms with a couple of more descriptive phrases. Include synonyms and common variations, and think about buyer intent words your customers might add when they're ready to act, like buy, near me, or best, as long as they genuinely fit your offer. If a term could bring the wrong audience, leave it out for now. When you're happy with your list, click Get Results. The planner will generate keyword ideas along with useful context, such as average monthly searches, competition level, and suggested bid ranges. Use this view to sanity check your ideas. Scan for relevance first. If a suggestion doesn't match what you sell, skip it. Then consider volume and intent together. Moderate to strong volume with clear relevance is often a reliable starting point. Very broad, high-volume terms can be expensive and unfocused, while extremely niche terms might not move the needle. Make note of the keyword ideas that fit your goals and voice. You're looking for a set that accurately describes what you offer, matches how customers search, and balances reach with precision. That's all there is to it. Click Tools, go to Planning, open Keyword Planner, choose Discover New Keywords, add well-targeted terms, and hit Get Results. With this process, you'll build a strong keyword foundation for your Google Ads campaigns.